Alright guys, so this is the coffee maker. I love it. It's perfect. I'm the only one that drinks coffee in my house. And I just want to explain certain things that I didn't know. I'm Spanish, so I'm used to something called a greca. I don't really have it. I threw mine away, so I don't have it anymore. But if you are used to something called a greca, it's like an old-fashioned coffee maker that you put right on the stove. With this, it's gonna be a little bit different. So I usually drink a big tall cup of coffee, and I would say, so what you basically do is you fill up the water to two cups. If you usually drink like this cup of coffee, if you are used to the greca. Now it comes with a little scooper, but I already put the scooper in here and it was hard to dig in since the coffee is new, but it comes with a little scooper. Now you wouldn't need the paper because it comes with this. I just made coffee literally. You wouldn't need the paper because it comes with this and you can just wash it off. I would say if you are used to the greca, the old coffee maker that you just put on the stove, you're gonna need about 4 scoops, maybe 5, because I only put 2 scoops for this and it is so light. I am not used to it. It doesn't even taste like coffee. It just tastes like creamer. So I would suggest you putting 4 scoops for 2 cups, which would basically be a cup if you're gonna drink a cup like this. I hope this helps. You basically plug it in, you lift this up, put in the water through here, then you push this to the side. It comes with a scoop. You put the coffee in here, you close it, and then you turn it on and you let it do what it's supposed to do. I love it. I hope you like it. I hope you make the change. It's worth it.
There's my little pot.
Quick final thought from America's Newsroom co-anchor Dana Perino, who is with us as well. Dana, as we watch, a lot of people have left the chamber. They may all be headed to a conference.
Gives me
Yeah, so these are not numbers
2 of those,
anybody who wants to be in power would want to accept.
plus a little bit.
Brett pointed out, you just need 218, and it doesn't even have to be somebody who is actually a member of Congress. Earlier today, I was texting with Tyrus and suggested he might be the one person in a
Here's my coffee pot, y'all. It's a good coffee pot, but it's the noisiest coffee pot I've ever had. But, you know, for the price, it's worth it.